Osaka. Japan's kitchen, its chaos, its soul. And you're stuck reading a folded paper map. Group tours rushing past Osaka Castle. A guide reading from a script while the city's real energy passes you by. Uvamai's Osaka self-guided audio tour hands you the merchant history, the modern energy, and the hidden stories of the city for just $6. Your access link arrives straight to your inbox, audio guide, and interactive map, ready whenever you land. No group, no rush. Your Osaka, your way. Stand before the towering walls of Osaka Castle, once ruled by a legendary warlord. Ride high above the city on the Umeda Sky Building's floating garden observatory. Wander the neon maze of Shinsaibashi and feel the gritty cool of Shinsekai's old-world streets. Every stop, a story most visitors walk straight past. Travelers from around the world have chosen Uvamai because they wanted to actually understand Osaka, not just photograph it. $6. Osaka's castles, canals, and character. Your pace. Your story. Get your access link now at uvamai.com.